Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be giving you guys another vlog. It's been kind of difficult trying to film videos here where I'm at, but today I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I have to wash clothes. Later on we're going to go to the Brooklyn Bridge, so super excited for that. So stay tuned throughout the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready, take all my clothes downstairs and put it in the car, and yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, hey loves, so I made it back home and I did get my boxy charm, so I decided to unbox it with you guys right now. So let's go ahead and unbox it, because I did do a first video, like a first unboxing, and I definitely love boxy charm. It's super inexpensive and you get a lot of full-size products, which I love. So the first thing is the little pamphlet, and it tells you how much everything is worth. The box is only $21 and you get mostly everything is full size. I don't think anything is like very mini size. So first thing we got here is this Dr. Brandt Needless No More Baggage. I'm super excited to try this out because I do have like puffiness here under my eyes, like in the morning. So I am super excited to try this out, and this is $42, which is awesome. And then next thing is this eyebrow cream, and this is worth $26. So this is awesome, and it's a full size product. Comes with a brush and then the cream on the other side. Ugh, can't wait to try it out. I am going to be trying out these products in another video for you guys and like showing you guys how it works. So next is a mascara, and this is $24, and this looks very promising. It has a very good wand, which is good. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to try that out. And then next we have a blush. The blush is from a Note Cosmetics, and this is $11.99. I know a lot of people have swatched it before because I know a lot of people got their boxes already, so I'm super excited to try it out for myself. So this is the blush right there. It looks so pretty. It looks like an orangey, nice orangey shade. Look at that. It's so pretty and it's so creamy. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out. And then the last thing is the eyeshadow palette, and this is worth $29.99, which is awesome. So you get this big old palette in your box. So let's open it up and look at the colors. So we have this beautiful palette, and it comes with a mirror, which is awesome. And then it comes with all these beautiful shades. These are up my alley. I definitely love it. I'm gonna swatch one shade. I'm gonna swatch the dark one right here. Oh, it's so creamy. Look at that. It's so creamy and it blends out nice, which is awesome. I cannot wait to try out all these products in a video for you guys and do a makeup look and all that stuff. So look out for that. I definitely wanted to unbox it with you guys, and then in my next video I will try out all these products with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we're gonna get ready to go to the Brooklyn Bridge. So stay tuned, keep watching this video, because we are gonna take a nice beautiful walk up the Brooklyn Bridge. So I will see you guys in a little while.